Alkaline far down and down south.
Yeah.
Because him a look at opportunity. See?
Yeah.
And him stand up in one corner and I think him and another person foul and him dead there for a couple of hours as well. But him a stand up. Back against the wall and just stand up stairs.
Video come out and everybody sees him style Cartel. Because Cartel try to take the mic from him and him hold out on the man and style the man on the man own a show. Zine say I make it clear says Cartel on a year show. And we run this, you can't give in a chat. Zine, then him and Popcorn have problem. So what him a do now? Him a segue now to make it look like
what the devil boy you doing at the bumbuckler yard? Wow. Hey, pussy, we don't want you around here. Leave out of this bumbuckler.
Who would have said that?
And Foota stand up and cuss.
like Alkaline a part of the equation when nobody know no problem with Alkaline. Alkaline never dey on Freedom Street. Foota never dey on Freedom Street. Alkaline have nothing to do with nothing where happen. But you want swing to the Alkaline fans them now.
Around here. Leave out of this bumbuckler.
Who would have said that?
And Foota stand up and cuss the man for about 20-30 minutes straight.
Oh God.
That's crazy.
Straight, he just a cuss the man. Cuss the man and a dog the youth, a dog him.
Oh God.
Until look like the youth just say him can't take no more and him just fix him shades and just take time walk go out of the yard.
It's me as a scapegoat. You're in a Cartel shirt pan the interview, but you try hype up Alkaline with what even makes sense. You talk about something from 2013. That now have nothing to do with the Popcorn thing where them ask you about and ask you if when me say a true.
Boom. Welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. You know the boss, Nando in our building. I want to speak on this topic with Foota Hype and Skatta Burrell and Alkaline being interjected in the whole conversation surrounding Freedom Street. It's so crazy how the year 2025, it started with Freedom Street and it's a pure drama. From Alkaline, from Spice calling Alkaline name, from the Suck Your Mother to Skatta Burrell from Popcorn, from Foota Hype and Skatta Burrell saga going on to Aishana, everything. And Alkaline name surrounding the whole show and he was never there. So let's jump right into the review and hear everything and see how everything goes down, because it's a whole drama thing in dancehall. You know dancehall already. Dancehall full of drama and we love it. So let's go right into it. This is Skatta Burrell's interview with the Nightly Fix podcasters. So let's go.
I shouldn't even talk about it, but one of the reasons why I have so much respect for Alkaline, I'm going to talk about it a lot of times, but I'm going to say it now. And one of the reasons why Foota will always be the evil bastard in the country. You know what I mean? One of the reasons, I remember, right? Like, I was at Dancehall in probably 2013.
Yeah.
I'm not sure the date, but probably 2013. And Alkaline was just about to break through. I think he probably did, I don't know if he did just tattoo him eye or something.
Right.
But Alkaline, you know, yeah, I'm not sure. But then he just come in and down. Maybe he never did that. But he just forward in and down. Alkaline on a down south.
Yeah.
Because he look at opportunities. See? And him stand up in one corner and I think him and another person forward and him dead there for a couple of hours as well. But he must stand up back against the wall and just stand upstairs, so I'm not really talk. So him there, every now and then we go check for him and you don't know what well, but him there, I will have vibes. Foota, coming drawing big foot in his slippers. I see, why you do that? What the devil boy you doing at the bumbuckler yard? Hey, pussy, we don't want you around here. Leave out of this bumbuckler.
Who would have said that?
And Foota stand up and cuss the man for about 20-30 minutes straight.
Oh God.
That's crazy.
Straight, he just cuss the man. Cuss the man and a dog, the youth, a dog him.
Oh God.
That's
Until
crazy.
look like the youth just say him can't take no more and him just fix him shades and just take time walk go out of the yard. And I tell you it's about a month after that you would find one of the biggest songs and then thing goes so
1, 2, 3. That's 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3, man.
The man thing just take off.
I do 1, 2, 3 song that, remember. I don't remember the whole scene, but I remember when time that song they take off. 1, 2, 3 was the first big song when I remember take off for Alkaline.
A month after, swear now bro. I mean I said, You can't try to hold down youth, because the youth show up, you know, and try to look at opportunity for himself. There's a difference between a police, the music, and a try to hold down a youth, you know, because remember, the youth has suffer, and him try to find fame and him come and seek an opportunity. Him not come there and try to cause no problem, him try to come be an artist. You can't see them.
As I said a while ago, like, the music needs some policing, but you can't try to hold down people.
You can't hold down youth. You see me? And when I see the youth, I never see it. I see it. When them tell me what go on and the youth hold long him head and just walk out, I'm sorry, I never even get dead. People say, oh, no man, you're right, forward. You understand me? It's one of them days that I did probably do something. And me, when me hear her go on and say, oh, the youth just take for himself, humble and I said nothing. And then weeks after that, the man think shot. So me I say, yo, some man are just pussy. Some man just make for me the pussy.
Yo. Man, style Foota Hype, dog. Man, a style Foota, bro.
Yeah, you see every flowers where you spring up, them want to throw poison upon it, they know how water.
Yeah, you have some people. Yo, you have some people stay so with you, you know, bro. You have some people literally stay so, bro. No lie. Some people really stay so. They want to stop your food, bro. They know how you reach nowhere.
Me don't know if Skatta got into my concert last night, but I hope him up now and hope him can actually hear what I have to say. Now, Skatta Burrell, you are a prominent producer and you know you're part of promotions, you're Joe Doughboy. We understand.
Joe Doughboy.
But what may I say is now, if you are going to come represent the company and all the way you not do and you have to rehearse your lie then.
Hey man, I said like, Skatta lie dog.
If you are going to want at the forefront for reason, you have to practice your lie them good. Every time you say something,
nobody no lie like you in a Foota Hype.
See, you forward to defend it or rebut or counteract or whatever. You tell me a lie. And then when you tell the lie, then you make yourself look stupid.
Bro.
The last time, one of these berries, man, and I try to run him out of the venue backstage for Babyface. You come with blackboard, marker, venue, tent, and then at the end of everything where you explain, you say, you're going there and ask Burris if them finish, if he might leave, and kill your whole presentation. Because if a Burris tent, and if Burris is there in a tent, you don't need to ask him when he will leave, they don't leave when he feel like. You understand? You're just too lighter. See? And you have to stop it. No, people, when I trace him, because it's not a tracing match, I'm going to show you how liar you is. And then the next two little Looney Tunes them from Nightly Fish, or the Fishes, or what them program name. I tell them already, say, me not going to say me would have never do the fix. But them two idiots were overseas, the man and the woman. I can't make them interview me. Them unintelligent and them low IQ, they can't interview me. So what may I say? See? May I say? As a what you call them? What you call the people that do interview and them something? As a media personnel, right? When you listen to somebody, you know, you're supposed to hear when them say foolishness, and you're supposed to interject. You understand what I'm saying? Now, I want to go back, Zine, and go watch Skatta interview. The man segue out of the interview and start say Foota wicked, right? Me are the evil villain and right. First thing before me get into all of the rubbish men talk, anybody here say Foota the evil villain, Zine, Ola Black. Ola Black. Hype. Have a nice day. Zine, anybody here say me are the evil villain? Either them a doodoo man, or them eat front, or them a demon. Are them people that consider me the villain. People were straight, believe in a righteousness, and believe in a God will never ever see Footahype as the villain. So, yes, we will accept that openly, say me are the evil villain to people who want to dirty up the music scene and we want to dirty up the industry. Me not have no problem. I accept the villain brand while me I defend righteousness and God, right?
But wait, he must say, clearly he must try to say, at the time when Alkaline come in with the black eye, him they come for dirty up the music. Then the music never dirty up already from Vybz Kartel days. So one more dirty the youth are going to dirty up the music. With the black eye ball and the rancher lyrics, people been not sing about it. Remember you had Vybz Kartel where say my daddy devil. You have Alkaline where say my uncle demon. So what more damage? Him never that. Him never. Let me know if he was burning out those people in the music. Vybz Kartel and Tamale, two of the most prominent figure of promoting the devil works and the devilship. Father devil, uncle demon. Me not understand.
So me not have a problem with that. So any artist, any promoter, any fans, anybody will not like me, it have to be because me I say things and me I stand up for things where hurt to them. So when you see me as the villain, when you don't see me as a messiah or as a leader.
What the fuck you say? The man say if we don't see him as a messiah, so he wants to be a messiah. You're that righteous to be a messiah, brother. Come on, stop capping. Man say we don't see him, people don't see him as a messiah. He wants to be seen as a messiah. You don't say. You don't fucking say.
A positive energy or a beacon of light. Anyway, we're going to break down what the dread said. The dread said, remember in the first thing, Popcorn and the dread have problem. Cartel and him have problem now. Cause the video come out and everybody sees him style Cartel. Cause Cartel try to take the mic from him and him hold it for the man and style him and the man on a show. The inside I make it clear says Cartel and a year show. And we run this, you can't give it a chat. See? Then him and Popcorn have problem. So what him do now, him a segue now to make it look like Alkaline are part of the equation when nobody had a problem with Alkaline. Alkaline never there on Freedom Street. Foota never there on Freedom Street.
So I'm going to tell you why all of this started. This all started from Spice bringing up Alkaline name. She opened the gate for it. She opened she fly the gate for the whole drama, controversy, everything. So remember, Alkaline name is a very prominent name in the dancehall. So anything goes, any card can play once you mention Alkaline name. It becomes a more of a story to go the long road, but you can't just call it now and forget about it the next day. It's an ongoing conversation. So that's why I feel like Skatta Burrell interject Alkaline name in a conversation part of the interview.
And have nothing to do with nothing where happen. But you want swing to the Alkaline fans them now and use me as a scapegoat. Yeah.
You know, Alkaline fans them rebellious and come like warboard. Just the same as Vybz Kartel fans. So I know when I talk about
Cartel shirt on the interview. But he try to hype up Alkaline with what even makes sense. He talk about something from 2013. That now.
No, from him said that I have a lyric. I have a lyric to sing. Not sing, but I'm gonna say the lyrics. And it's really clear that Alkaline and Footahype been out something from a longer time and it never go dead. Knowing a man like Alkaline, him not forget nothing. And the lyric goes like this. Oh 12, my circle ever studio producer, a cheap man like me and nothing. They even a tropical rhythm me woulda get. If me get that, me woulda glad me get something. But I wanna know, man, I shell the road. If me know the pan your beat, you cannot bother with the juggle. Man make it by myself, me never get no help, no us, no the inner me hustle. So it's clear to say that that was from that previous incident back in 2013, 2012. So
The popcorn thing when them ask you about and ask you if what me say are true. And that the people them ask you, if what me say are true, you're gonna Alkaline. Don't talk about Alkaline, talk about the reason why you and popcorn really are war.
but wait.
When you go rogue, you go.
Wait, now Footahype mentioned Alkaline name in a vlog where they do after Freedom Street. I think it's Footahype mentioned Alkaline name because he was speaking on the fact that Spice had to call Alkaline name. So I think Footahype mentioned it first now. After Footahype, yo, I swear, bro, beer drama, dancehall just full of beer drama. Dancehall different, dog.
Okay? You have to talk about the reason why you and popcorn really have problem. Cause there's a little bitch. And you always have up the youth over girl. When you don't have him up over Cecilia, have him up over Aisha. I talk the truth. I stop going like you're an idiot. Cause you are saying me traumatized. But me not fight nobody and kill nobody over nobody. If me that champ.
Bro, the man, I feel like Footahype feel some type of way that Aishana and either Skatta Burrell have something going. Let me know, is Aishana and Skatta Burrell together? Then they are something. Cause every time something happen, when it involves Skatta Burrell, Footahype, there goes Footahype in the midst of everything. Me not understand, bro. They might carry feelings to them one another.
I'm gonna kill you first and Joe. Me never even do nothing, me never look for him. I walk left him. Anyway, me could get into the reality of it now.
You know what burn him? The fact that him usually there on them man here, there on Skatta Burrell and the whole of them, and him bring him woman Aishan around them and boom, him and her left now. And them him gone, she gone to, Skatta Burrell she gone to, and you know, you feel a way, cause maybe in a sense it may feel like him and Skatta was friend at that time, but friends turn enemy when it comes to woman, bro. It's crazy, brother.
See? Now we get into the reality yet. 2013, man, listen what him say. Him say Alkaline forward a down some and try get a bus cause they are suffering. Him say Alkaline dead for hours. See? Him say
Man say man did it for over 2 hours.
go check for Alkaline, make sure him alright, make sure everything good. See? That him say no. Remember the words. Then him say, me walking in the yard, I draw my slippers with my big foot. Me never see a slippers I draw itself yet.
Wait, I draw my slippers with my big foot. It's how Jamaican talk, Footahype. Nobody go like you too smarter than people. You can't draw your foot in your slippers. It's a natural thing.
So, you have to draw
Foota thinking smart, you know.
Him say me come in, and me just start, hey, what the devil boy you doing here? What the devil boy you doing here? Hey, come out of the yard, where? In the same
Break.
conversation. Him say him no member of Alkaline I did do already or not. So how me could I call Alkaline devil boy and them something that if him I never do.
Well, it can be true. Him I probably did do and Skatta probably did remember or sure if him I did do. So because later down in an interview with Skatta, him said he no remember which song Alkaline breakout song, which song make him get that big break there. So you can't forget things sometimes. Me understand where Skatta come from. But Foota use him brain. Foota use him brain.
The thing, 3 more people for things say he's such a good guy. Here, me never did see, swear, me never did see. But when them tell me, you just said Alkaline out there for hours and you gotta check on him and make sure him good and him something there.
But you could still check on someone. You can still check on someone from time to time. And then after checking on them and going about your business, an incident can happen and you are not privy to it. And somebody can pass on the message to you. So I don't understand the logics. What I try to say. Clearly he's trying to say that How can you be checking on someone and not knowing that something happened at the very moment when you are checking on them? Or to say, oh, me come in at the yard and I raise up the youth and you're not there and you say you check up on him and then all of a sudden you say your ear say.
So no, you say you never did out there, you never see your ear. So you see me walking with my big foot and draw my slippers and all of that. Rehearse your lie them, brother. When you are going to tell
a lie,
rehearse your lie them.
Knowing Footahype, bro, knowing Footahype, you can expect the racing up from them, man. Them man in a ram for race up you. Knowing Footahype, I remember when he beat Alkaline and he beat him bad, you know. He usually beat Alkaline and he usually beat Massacre, and the way he beat them away, bro, like him not rate them. But sometimes tough love, you have to give tough love to some real talented people, so maybe I let him did that though.
Rehearse your lie, me done. You can't get up and tell lies up because you want to swing with the people because everybody will beat you. Say you violate cartel, you violate popcorn.
Yeah.
You want to use Footahype and Alkaline. If you die for nothing what me did say to Alkaline that day there. Me no regret, me no take back, me no apologize for. Because everything what me did say to Alkaline that day there, it still stands today. I don't know me alone they talk to Alkaline and me and Ninja Man that talk to Alkaline.
Yeah, Ninja Man that beat Alkaline too.
I
was he beating Alkaline get to the man?
Sprinkle face youth where in the band.
Alkaline
just said 2 words. Alkaline said scene. And then he listen to our next part and he said scene. So, me not understand how you know add the Ninja Man did that tell Alkaline the same thing when me I tell him.
Alkaline did young at the time, man. Sometimes when you're young in mind, you know, sometimes you're young, you make something, you do some wild stuff, you know, think about what you do until you get older, you realize that, yo, you need to change up your folly grounds, change up the way how you usually operate when you're younger, so, me understand.
It look like, okay, Foota is a evil villain, and he's a liar villain.
The Chrome extension everyone will be using in 2025. I feel like I just found a Google cheat code. This Chrome extension lets you...
You understand? You need to rehearse your lie there, man. Kind of the one little clip you tell lie by your own self. People, all me that tell Alkaline say, bro, that image the way you work with is a devil image. Is a demon image. That black eye something there, and me I say to Alkaline, say, brother, look on this. You alone have in the eye. Okay. I say you boss now and have 10,000 picnic with the eye there in our venue. You just come on the stage and look on 10,000 picnic with a black eye there and see what effect it can have. Because strength in numbers. I say true. Energy is real.
True, that's true.
If you push that energy there, it will take on to the picnic there. And
that's true, because in previous time we've seen someone tattoo their eyes and I think them got blind or something, I don't remember. Many people did that mimic the whole tattoo thing. A guy tattoo on him face, one big tattoo over him eye, and some other sort of things. So me understand when man set to that. Because sometimes things where you push out there, you know, as an influencer, when you push certain things out there, people tend to follow you. Just like Vybz Kartel, the bleaching, the tattoo and all of them things that, you know, people tend to follow him, the cake soap thing. People, a lot of folks tend to follow him, even though it was being privy and out there already, but people follow him.
Bring a negative vibration. And them think they empower the devil and the evilness them we are going about the place. And I said to him, say, if you are going to sign on here, me I go quit.
Bombo.
As long as they have in them hide. If them sign around here, me I quit. I never said them nothing sign Alkaline. I say if them sign you with the eye, I never said them nothing sign Alkaline. But with the eye, me now work with it. Okay? Simple mathematics. And Ninja Man, they fully agree.
Sometimes man like them, you hide them hate for people, you know. Them go like them not hate certain people, but them hide it for talk. So the public now beat them bad. More time of that them do for real, bro. And a man like Footahype, over the years, him been a beat and a bash Alkaline. Even when Alkaline take out the eye contact and constantly doing music, see him still did a beat him. Maybe him hurt because of the message with Alkaline sending a song. Something about after him on a bounty killer or Batman Footahype. So that'll probably beat Footahype away. So him couldn't stop beating.
I'm telling you the same thing. I know that make him left. We don't talk to him and him dead all along. Turn up and reach till him and him manager come. So why they never sign him? Me never stop them from signing him. Would have just left. And we still stand on that when I said today. And if Alkaline did believe the I think so much, he would take it out. You understand?
It was
so
just an image.
If me are the villain, for you secure a positive future for the next generation, then me gladly be a villain. Me gladly be a...
Fairly, I would say, my respect in a sense where I say, yo, if I should be the villain to protect the next generation that comes forward, I'm not wrong him for that, because sometimes, as people, as grown folks, sometimes we have to shape the future for the younger generation to come. And if we're constantly allowing stuff to keep happening in the atmosphere and in our present life, it will happen to the younger generations to come. So I'm going to get what I say. If him supposed to be the villain for the younger generation, him not mind, I mean not wrong him still. Because that whole tattoo thing, even though it was a sham where Alkaline created a brilliant sham, but at the same time, people would have mimicked something like that and did something worse to themselves. Like that one person who them said tattoo them eye and go blind. So when you are an influencer, bro, you have to be careful what you put on.
Because me can see. Most of them youth when them a bus, them a look to one side of the telescope. So one side of the telescope will show you everything near.
Yeah, them start funny now.
Riches is right here at your fingertip. Just continue with it.
Like a craft say. Craft say, what him say? Rich is right, poor is wrong.
Then it go work. But if you flip the binoculars to the other side and look through it, you can see say, where you do a far outside there, you go suffer. We have telescopic vision. So, Skatta, please, brother. You say you're a professional and you're a big top man and you're rich and you're smart and everything. Rehearse your lie them. Me will even help you, you know.
So you're one of them. Okay, Footahype, one of them will rehearse him lie them when he want to come tell people lie. So you might teach Skatta over rehearse him lie, bro.
Me will tell you, say, fix up that little part there and not say that, say this, you see me I say, and you understand? And help you to make your lie look believable. You understand me I say? So why I never sign him? Remember I see him interview, you know.
People are,
Him say, Alka out there for hours and then check on him and make sure I'm alright. And them I decide what them I gotta do. Them don't know what them I gotta do. So in I see him interview, the same clip you say, you never did it.
Alright, pause it right there. So here's my take on the whole not signing Alkaline. The two of them are hypocrite, right? The two of them are hypocrite. Skatta and Footahype are hypocrite. None of them wouldn't sign the youth. None of them wouldn't ever sign the youth or give him a chance. The whole thing, as I said, I understand what Footahype I say. On the Skatta Burrell side, I understand. But at the same time, the two of them are poke them one another. The two of them are push fire against them one another. So none of them are right for nothing. Because Skatta never does sign Alkaline at the moment when time him come at the studio. Remember, Alkaline never broke out big that year, you know, when Carbon Records and the whole of them come. Alkaline did have few local music, but him never get that 1, 2, 3 hit there in 2013. So I would doubt none of them wouldn't sign him. I just know that everything coming as we must say, everybody I give him a backlash that a Skatta. So everything come down on him shoulder. But as I said, none of them wouldn't help the youth. It just happened that God work, bro.
People, here I go. Them just not like when me talk the truth, yeah? Them just don't like when me talk the truth. And that is the problem. You see me? Me not have no problem. If Alkaline don't want to talk to me for the rest of my life, I could care zero. Because what I tell him was important. And what I tell him was righteous
Yeah, cause right now Alkaline make a big change in him career and him life right now. I'm more positive him a push him. Him hardly a push negative energy there, you know? Different type of vibration, different frequency him a push out there in our universe. I shape a better future for you them. Like him have a song goes now no rest. And him say back against the wall. Back against the wall and you have to look out for your way out. Sometimes your back can be against the wall and you have to try to find a way out. So him have some fully conscious music to say, yo, him really take the telling from other elders out there and him follow through, you know. Sometimes it take you to grow up for learning, you know. Sometimes you may young and you not learn much, and as you go you just gradually learn.
Tell him was the truth. So, through him know why the people them beat him about Popcorn and beat him about Cartel, he must segue to Alkaline. Sure, you say them not lie and them not real, you know. Vibes Cartel, just go now. The biggest show, Dancehall keep, right? And instead of you go,
so for our loyalty go, no care all when you talk the truth, bro, it no matter. Loyalty is a whole different thing. Cause clearly you must say Skatta now no loyalty to Cartel, because oh you in an interview, you have a Cartel shirt, you have a shirt with Cartel face on it, and you say, oh, much you have mad respect for Alkaline. Nothing is wrong with that. As grown man, nothing wrong to give next man him respect, bro. No care how much you loyal to somebody. You can't make because you pick your side or you do over this and another man do over this so make you can't speak justice. Me no respect that part of Footahype I say. Like him a try to say, oh, Cartel give them a show.
I never mean to hold the mic from Cartel that you me angry and you know pissed off and rare. That's why me that hold the mic and I really Cartel and Popcorn me pissed off and fix the thing. You know that you can hype up Alkaline where you know say him and Cartel are good because Cartel are cussing on a style of thing.
Man say you come hype up Alkaline. Pull up that. Man say you come hype up Alkaline.
Just go now. The biggest show Dancehall keep, right? And instead of you go, you can just say, yo, I never mean to hold the mic from Cartel that you me angry and you know I'm pissed off and rare. That's why me that hold the mic and I really Cartel and Popcorn me pissed off and fix the thing. You know that you can hype up Alkaline where you know say him and Cartel are good because Cartel are cussing on a style of thing.
But wait,
It's sure.
you see, he say him a corruption, right? He must say, oh, you know, say him and Cartel no good. Cartel not say in a recent interview say him and Alkaline not have nothing. Him not pre no man. So what kind of thing this? You see, the two of them are too big, fussy wall now. The two of them are too big. Yo, you can't trust them two man, bro. Especially Footahype, dog. Footahype, our blood clean fire pusher. He want push fire under quiet. I talk about oh, you know say Alkaline and Cartel are good and very and very. Man say man nobody now have nothing, bro. Just make it dead there so some don't know where you talk.
You know no loyalty, you know no guts.
Loyalty.
You no real. You no real.
Say man for sure loyalty to Cartel all the way out without giving somebody else respect. And that me can't understand with our people them, bro. Them take this loyal thing different to a different level. Where them things say when them another man do good, it cannot be highlight. When you give another man respect, it shouldn't be highlight. No make no sense, brother.
You no real. Them a use me now as a band-aid to try cover them own. Me not do that. Me not do that. You no rate Vibes Cartel. Out of all the people when you come hype up on the interview, Alkaline you come hype up and bring forth when a Cartel ever talk about where you disrespect.
Yo, that's crazy, bro.
I'm back. Immerses you in a universe with thousands.
That's crazy, bro.
Yeah, then remember, you know, Alkaline father is true. It's not a lie. It's not a lie. It's true. But
So that means it's not a lie.
Hypocrite. When me see him, me attack.
So he must clearly match I said the whole exaggeration with Skatta Burrell is a lie. And not so him put it to Alkaline and so him talk to Alkaline. So somebody a lie then. The whole incident was true, so it's not a lie. So him is saying Footahype I say, I know so it go. It close, but then so. But then what we always say, one I go so, almost go so.
But the eye. And me I say, brother, me not the eye thing, me not like it. A demon business. Anybody you see them eye, they are a werewolf, vampire, them kind of people. You understand?
Yo, that man is
so that energy
sick,
they don't
bro.
right. For our industry and our music, that high energy they don't right. You understand what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so me tell Alkaline that, and it's just the truth. Me not have time for kiss ass and go on like, you understand what I'm saying? Me no business. And me still stand for what me said today. If our next artist come with that eye something that the same thing would I tell him. So he must say me a hold on the youth when me don't know the youth. How me hold on the youth when me don't know the youth?
Me nah bring that video here too far, bro. Me a cut it short. But my take on this whole thing, bro. Alkaline nah gonna stop get eating, bro. Them nah gonna stop eating from Alkaline. No matter what. Remember say Bob Marley usually get 89 times, you know, man. Them usually eat from Bob and locked in all gunshot them fire for Bob and Bob get shot, you know. So you must know. Sick Vybz Kartel him still a get 8. All of him left prison. People still a hate him cause people nah gonna stop eating, bro. It's just naturally you just have to constantly put in the work and know say the work are gonna speak for itself. People nah gonna hate you. And in my sense, I feel like none of them not rate Alkaline to an extent. Them just a speak on the whole situation because it's public and it's a trend right now. It's fun to hate on Alkaline in many people's eyes. It's okay to hate on Alkaline because Alkaline nah respond to nobody. Alkaline a hold him own, him nah go come out and talk. So until then when Alkaline stand up and talk and post or something and this something, when him nah go do that, because Alkaline know better than that, so him nah go do that. So people are gonna always continuously attack about it. Spice they call him name. It's you make money when you talk about Alkaline, bro. So continuously do it. So me no know. Now I bring that interview, that whole review here too long, so I just have to stop it right here. So. And if y'all I don't know what to say, bro. Tell me what y'all think in the comment section about this whole situation with Footahype and Skatta. I talk about Alkaline and interject him name in this whole conversation because apparently 2025 start Alkaline name was a hard topic. Alkaline name are the bread and butter for enough people, bro. Apparently, and Vybz Kartel just having Freedom Street. And him now talk, he's not the center of attraction. Alkaline. It is mind-blowing, bro. It is mind-blowing. I can't understand the blood cleat. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And remember to stay tuned and always stay updated and hit that like and subscribe button. Peace, I'm out. You know it, go man. A mad thing. Vibes and inside.